Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something spicy you get to watch, and oftentimes people just complain. I don't know why I continue to do it, except for the fact that I enjoy doing it. Today we've got one from Samyang Foods of South Korea. This is their lovely hot Buldak. This is coming out on Valentine's Day. I figured, it's got hearts on it and junk. See, look, Hochi is thrilled. Here's what I made. Here's, like, right there. And, yeah, there's a picture of it from above. I'm bringing in the awesome new clock that my wife got me. Thank you very much. And, let's see, where's the start button? All the way on the corner. So let me have a little swig of beverage. Just a note to people, if you are going to do a mukbang with noodles that are dryish, take a drink of something first or you're going to get the hiccups. And this one is like half spicy. But if you're dealing with a 3X Buldak and you're not used to this kind of thing, hiccups and that heat generally is not a lot of fun. Just a little tip, Let's see if this works. And it's going. All right, let's give this a try. I put some spring onion on it, I put some eggs on there, but I'm going for the completely unadulterated side first. Cheers. Nice thick noodle. This is supposed to be for the folks who can't handle spicy, but I have a feeling there's a lot of people that would find this just to be like nuclear. I don't think that would be me though. This is definitely... It's good. I think people have wanted this, and I'd love to see this in the US because I've heard so many people say, yeah, I've tried the Buldak, I really like it, but it's just way too spicy for me. They should really introduce this to the US because this is definitely not even as spicy as Buldak Light, that's for sure. But the noodle's great. I would almost say this is more like 1/8 spicy. It's just not. It's really good. We know it'd be really cool is if they did one of this spice level for the whole range. Well, at least the carbo. But my buddy, the Fat Hipster, he sent me a whole bunch of these Korean varieties that they don't have in the US, including jambong, rose, cream carbo. I guess they do have cream carbo here now. And there's a couple more, I think. Yeah, check him out on YouTube. Look for the Fat Hipster on YouTube. He does some really interesting reviews. I would say if you like spicy things, this won't be too much. Although it is building, as Buldak tends to do. Looks like 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Done. There's a good heat to it. There's good enough. I mean, it's like I'm feeling it, but it's not... It's not lethal. I've got a bit of a cold right now, and it's still not bugging me. You get a lot more of the sweetness in this one rather than just the brutal, full-on brunt of heat, which it's nice. Definitely have a little bit of heat in the front of my mouth, a little bit on the back. My tongue is hot. It's good. It is lovely and hot. So, if it's Valentine's Day, pony up to your human and maybe a pet, maybe a beloved pet, and enjoy some of this, if that's what you want to do. I mean, maybe you're a sadist and want to do like the 3X. I don't know. You could do that. Above all, hopefully you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day. If not, take solace in the fact that the god of ramen wishes you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.